In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to flush your cooling system. In this step, we're going to talk about the proper service procedure for installing your Flush Kit Flush Tee. I have my razor blade, my tee and hose clamps. Your kit is going to come with several different sizes of flush tees just to fit the various makes and models of different vehicles. This is the 3/4 one, and this is 3/4 hose. I'm going to take my razor knife, extend it about 1.5 inches, and lock the blade. I'm going to take and cut away from my other hose so not to damage it. You may spill a marginal amount of coolant while doing this. Once we have it cut, we take and put our blade away. I'm going to slide my hose clamps on. One there and one there. All right, you can see the barb here. That's what grips the hose. We're going to go ahead and insert it, the engine side, and insert it into the body side of the inlet heater core line. Once you have it inserted, you're going to want to make sure it's straight up and down. It's like so. And you can go ahead and tighten down your hose clamps. All right, and tighten down the other hose clamp. All right, going to install the cap now. We will remove this later. I'm going to put it on now just to show you how it goes. It screws down just like any other cap, just like so. That is the proper way to cut your heater hose and install your flushing tee.